What are you doing, Anton?
Oh, hi. Oh, it's you.
Yeah, it's
Trying
me.
to make a Halloween beat.
Oh, that was interesting.
Yeah. Heard that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Heard that?
So,
Oh, that's good, right?
so you're making a beat
Yeah.
now.
I'm making a Halloween beat. You know that all the rappers can use. So it's up to you if you wanna get it.
so,
Yeah.
so you have the piano part now.
And no, it's organ, not the piano. The piano is good, right?
The organ part.
Yeah. I'm
So, not the whole beat.
Yeah. Since you know, Aaron ng Patay is nearing,
Yeah, yeah.
singing for you know, the sake of all the rappers.
So, can you give me a sample of
Sure,
the
sure,
beat?
sure.
Yeah.
Sample, that's easy.
Okay.
No, I'll kill the piper now.
Okay.
This is how it goes, huh?
Yeah.
That's it.
That was nice, bro.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
So if you wanna, you know, just ask me sample beat. You know, I can make anything for you. You know, from hip hop to R&B to Halloween. So yeah. Bye.